Aí me mostra, vai pra mim.
I think I'd do jump as well and she kept pulling it down.
Every time I come
I think
up.
we'll come to one that's going to be
No,
you're a million miles
actually,
away
never
from it.
mind. I mean, these were right underneath me.
No, because see it Granny and Brandy's.
It's got a big mark on it. Something in my class is one of the people who are running it because he's part of the boys brigade. The people who run.
Oh, look. Ashley. Wow.
Come on.
Can you believe that? Neve, where's Neve? Oh, yeah. Jeez, I thought that was you making that noise. She thinks it came from behind. She thought somebody threw something, but no. I mean, look how far up in the air they're going.
Because it hit another person behind.
Unless
Yeah,
somebody did something from behind, I don't know.
There's people who did something here.
Oh, wait, you see this? This is going to be a biggie.
Well, it looks much bigger in the sky than it is in my camera. Mom, that was your mistake.
I know, but it wasn't, there was nothing left in it when it landed.
Did you get it off of her head? What?
Here. We'll go down this bit. That might be it finished. It might be finished.
Ow. What did you say to me?
I said.
I want to tell her. I want to tell her mum.
Right, okay. Tell mummy first. Whisper it to mummy first.
Did you dress up for Halloween?
Right.
Skeleton, scary skeleton. Oh wow.
I think that's it.
Pom pom.
Grand's favourite place.
What, darling?
Grand's favourite place.
That's it.